Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are fit and fine and doing your math practice regularly. Children, today in this class I am going to take revision of odd and even numbers and addition and subtraction using grid method. Okay, so let us start. Children, you all know about there are 9 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and 0 is also there and it has not its own value, but when it comes along with other number it has a value, or you can say it gives value to that number. Suppose if you are writing 0, no value, but when it comes with 1 it has value, or it gives value to 1 and it becomes 10. Okay, so children, here this 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, this is considered as odd digits. Children, when these digits come on ones place of any number, then the number is considered to be odd number. Okay, for example, if you have 4, 5, 6 and 9, and children, ones place has 9, tens place has 6, 100 and 1000. So 9 is coming on ones place, so 4569 is considered as odd number. Children, odd numbers cannot be divided by 2 completely. Okay, and remember that if 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, any one of the digit present on ones place in any number, then the number will be considered as odd number. Okay, now I am taking one more example. Here is another example, 451. Ones place has 1 and 1 is a odd, so this 451 will be considered as odd number. Okay, now second, even, these are considered as even. Okay, and if any one of the digit comes on ones place of any number, then the number will be considered as even number. And children, even numbers can be divided by 2 completely. Okay, I am taking one example, 434. Just see ones place, which number is 4, and this 4 is which type of even, so this whole number will be considered as even number. Okay, similarly 1280, ones place has 0, and so the whole number 1280 will be considered as even number. Children, hope you all have understood. Now let us revise how can we subtract addition and subtraction using grid. Children, this is grid, and here if you observe it carefully you will find that all odd numbers, all even numbers, all odd numbers, all even numbers, all odd numbers, all even numbers, all odd, all even, odd and even. Numbers are written in this grid. Okay, and children, we will do addition and subtraction using this grid. So children, you have to remember 4 points. First point is, when you move up, means when you are going 8 to 18, means you will add 10. When you are going 20 to 36, we are adding 10. When we move 2 steps, then 20, 3 steps 30, 4 steps for moving up 40. Okay. Second, when you move down, means when you are coming from 99 to 89, means you are subtracting 10. Okay. When you are moving 2 steps down, then subtract with 20. Then you move 3 steps down, then subtract with 30. Then you move 4 steps down, then you have to subtract with 40. Okay. Now third point is, when you move to the right side, means from 18 to 19, you have to add 1. Okay. 24 to 25, move 1, add 1. If you are moving 2 steps forward, means 2, 3 steps, then 3, 4 steps, then 4. Okay. That you have to add when you are moving in right direction. Okay. Now when we are moving left direction, then we have to subtract 1 for 1 step. Okay. 2 steps minus 2, 3 steps minus 3. Okay. So children, hope all 4 points you remember. Okay. For moving up, plus 10. For moving down, minus 10. For moving right, plus 1. For moving left, minus 1. Okay, for 1 step. Right. Now let us see few examples. Okay. Few examples from your book only. That is given on page number yes, that is given on page number 30, children. Okay. Now look here. 10 less than 34. 10 less than 34. Okay. Less means subtract, means you have to move down. Okay. Now let us see the grid. 34. This is 34. Right. 10 less. Then what you have to do? You have to move 1 step down. Okay. On which square you have reached? 24. So its answer will be 24. Okay. Now one more example. 53 minus 20. 20 means you have to move 2 steps, right? And where you have to move? Move down. Okay, from 53 you have to move 2 steps down. So just find out where is 53. This is 53, right? 2 steps you have to come down, means first step 43, then 33. So 53 minus 20 will be 33. Okay. Now take one more example. 11 less than 66. 11 less than 66. It means what? 66 minus 11. 66 minus 11. Okay, so 11 can be written as 10 and 1, 10 plus 1. Okay, so first you will subtract 10 and then after 1. Okay, so let us see, where is 66? 66 is here. Now move one step down, come 56, and then minus 1. On which direction you have to move? Left direction. So you will come on this. So which number it is? 55. So the answer will be 55. Children, hope you are understanding it. Now let us take one more example. The sum of 9 and 44. Sum means plus. 9 plus 44. This is 44. Plus 9 means you have to move right direction. How many squares forward? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So that will be 53. Got it? One more. 98 minus 34. Just find out where is 98. 98. Then minus 30. Minus 30, 10, 10, 10. 3 steps down. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. 68. Now 4 more. Means which direction you have to move? Left direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what the final answer? 64. Children, hope you all have understood this grid method. Okay? Do practice at home. You can make your own grid or you can take help of the grid that is made in the book on page number 31 and do the questions. Thank you and have a nice day.